Behold! It's been a long day coming. The Star Wars Retro Collection for 2026 has arrived.
Left coast is the best coast.
Feels like a year since I did my last Retro Collection review. Oh, wait, it has been. Anyways, I picked up my pre-orders today from EB Games in Canada. The boxes are in nice shape. Basically the same on both sides. Cool photos on the top. Yeah, so let's get in it. And there's that all-important stuff. Who's gonna be? Boom! It's CZ3. He is glorious. Good looking card back photo with new easily removable sticker and no faux edgeware. Not too shabby. And it's nice to finally have a little cross sell on the back again. Been a while since we've seen that. Well, I don't think we've ever seen it in a retro collection. Wedge Antilles. Finally, a pilot with a removable helmet. He looks great. He's got his Han Solo style blaster, removable sticker. Basically the same cross cell into the back. Who we got? Who we got? Shabam! How awesome is that? R4M9 joins the Kenner Star Wars Retro Collection. He is glorious. Digging it, I'm digging it. Shaboom! Garindan, or Long Snoot, or the Snitch. He's great. I've always wanted this guy as a figure. He has such a small scene, but he's just a cool, good-looking character. He even has a line. She will always be royalty to me, Princess Leia Organa in her Yavin ceremony outfit. And her Han Solo's Medal of Yavin. Very cool, beautiful photo. Love me some princess. And last but not least, the other Antilles, Captain Antilles. No relation to Wedge Antilles. It's like Antilles is like the popular name in space. Yeah, he's a good looking figure. Need him for your Rebel Troopers, which, you know, most of us probably only have one or two of because they're so hard to come by. Yeah, another glorious figure that we always wanted as a kid. Alright, now that we let these babies breathe, let's have a closer look at them. So, first off, let's look at Garindan. So, something different. Just a layover top soft goods, which is, you know, it works. You've got a gray pew pew and a little gray communicator. similar legs and style to, you know, the original Emperor we got. But yeah, he's awesome. He looks good without his soft goods. I'm sure a plastic cape would have worked as well. You know, Kenner 70 style, but he's awesome. I like him a lot. Next up, a new Astromech added to the retro collection with clicking sounds. How cool is that, man? And a new third leg. Notice there's no screw in the bottom, so I don't know how I'm going to be able to customize these guys. But yeah, he is awesome, and his third leg will fit in your vintage or your retro R2-D2 and R5-D4. Let me go grab one. Okay, so here's my original 77 R2. You know, because they have screws in them. Doesn't fit too well. It's almost like it's a little long. But if you're just standing him, he works. Let's try my vintage minty R5-D4. Again, same. Just a little loose again. So it doesn't really fit the original Kenner. A little disappointed with that, but no, let me try my retro R2. Okay, here's my retro R2. Now, these should be the exact same body mold, and this should fit nicely. And it does. So it's a better fit for your retro R2 than your Kenner one, but you can make it work. Great addition. Now just sell us 3 packs of these and we'll be happy. Put that back in there. Next up we have Captain Antilles for the first time. Excellent addition to the collection. Yeah, and he goes really good with his sidekick. Very unique sculpts. Nice work on this one. And then we got Ceremonial Leia with Han Solo's medal. So let's do it. There you go, Han. Here you go, Luke. She looks good. Soft goods is original touch. They can slide off. You just gotta slide them down the arms, but I'm not going to because it was hard to put back on. But yeah, no, she's good. I'm not in love with her face sculpt, but you know, you can't. Beggars can't be choosers, I guess. I like this. This is a nice feature. Be cool if we had that on an Endor Leia. All right, let's put those guys aside. And now we got Wedge Antilles, X-Wing pilot with snug-fitting, removable helmet. He's great looking figure. Original body sculpt. It's not the same as Luke X-Wing. He's a little slimmer, and he has gray straps as opposed to Luke, who has white straps because, you know, we're so used to all that paint coming off. But yeah, he looks great with his removable helmet. Let's see, can I make him hold it? Yeah, he can hold it. That works for me. Good looking figure. And last but not least, we have CZ3. Not Z, Z. CZ3. He's fantastic. This This might be my favorite figure from this set. He's the simplest, the least amount of paint apps, and the least amount, no accessories whatsoever, but he is awesome. A great recognizable background character. See him in a sand crawler. See him walking in the streets of Tatooine. Yeah, he's awesome. We need a couple more droids in the retro collection, that's for sure. So let me know what you think of this set. Did you pick it up? Did you pre-order it? Or did you find it in stores? Which is what a lot of people in America are finding right now. They're just showing up and finding them in Targets because the release date has come and gone and they still have not shipped the pre-orders. So Target, start shipping your pre-orders. Thanks for watching, everybody. Remember, collect them all and let them breathe. And yes, once you get it started, the retro collection sticker is lower tack and can be removed without damaging your card back.
Left coast is the best coast.